Imagine being able to build a stunning, fully responsive landing page for your business in minutes. And not just any landing page, but one that is connected to Zoho CRM so that all your leads will be collected automatically. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that with Storm. No coding skills required, no design hassle, just smart AI-powered building. Hey everyone, Simon here from Storm, where we turn ideas into real working apps and websites with just a prompt. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the thousands of creators building with Storm every week. And if you've got questions along the way, drop them in the comments and I'll respond to them as quickly as possible. So to kick things off, we're going to go to storm.dev and we're going to write a detailed prompt for our landing page. So I'm just going to paste in my prompt here and we're going to go through it. I want a modern landing page for a digital marketing agency. The page should include a bold hero section with agency name, tagline, primary call to action, get a free consultation, use a full width background image or gradient with large bold typography, a services section with 4 cards, each with a clean icon, a heading, a short description. I want hover effects. I want an our work section showcasing 2 or 3 project highlights, each with a short description and key results. Use alternating image/text layout for variety, a testimonial section, and a lot more. As you can see, this prompt is quite extensive. So the thing is, I'm not just asking it to create a landing page. It definitely could do that. The more specific you are, the closer you'll be to the result that you'd pay thousands for with an agency or an external developer. So it's always a good idea to figure out what you want on the page before you build it. But again, you can also just write a very simple prompt and let Storm cook its own thing. That also works. You can always change it afterwards. Before I start building, if we look on the top of the screen, you can see that Storm has an app builder where you can build full stack apps, anything you want, websites, all that kind of stuff. And then we have some landing page builders. So for this one, I'm going to use the Zoho CRM landing page, which will integrate with Zoho CRM automatically. So now I'll just hit start building and we'll see what happens. And just like that, Storm built the whole page for us. So over here we can see the pages. Obviously this is a landing page, so we only have one page. And over here we can see all the code, so we can see that this is actually a fully coded page. We can see the index.html, we can see the routing in here. We can see anything we want basically. We can see the favicon and so on. So if you are a bit technical, this will probably be interesting for you. And if you want to change something on the page later, you can just write some code for it. But you definitely don't have to. You can prompt Storm for anything and it'll do it. So what we got here, we got a hero section with a full scale image, just like we asked for. We have a call to action. We have our digital marketing services and they have hover effect, just like we asked for. We have our success stories with some e-commerce growth success, SaaS lead generation, local business transformation. We have testimonials. So this is like a carousel of testimonials. We have some plans, starter plan, growth plan, enterprise. So far so good. We can see our expert team. So we have Alex Martinez as the CEO and founder, Jessica Wong as head of SEO, Marcus Johnson is the paid ads specialist, and Sophia Davis is our content marketing manager. And at the bottom of the page, we have a contact form. And of course, below that, we have a footer. Before we start changing anything on the page, let's just go over here to the specs page where we can see our project title, project description, our integrations, appearance and SEO. This means that this page is already SEO optimized as well. So we have an SEO title, we have meta description, we have a favicon, and we have our social sharing image. So all that is good. So to connect to Zoho CRM, we simply click the connect button. We get this pop-up where we will connect with our Google account. So we click this, we accept, and now we're hooked up to Zoho CRM. So all the leads we get through this page will now be collected inside Zoho CRM. It was that easy, literally a one button connect. So if we go back to the design page and we take a look at this. So there's 2 things you can do now to change this. One is you can prompt Storm to change what you want, or you can go into actually there are 3 ways, but the non-technical way, the easiest way would be either to prompt Storm to change what you want down here, or to go into edit mode. And in here you can simply click a whole section and ask for a change. You can change the text, you can change the buttons, you can change these boxes down here as well. You can basically click anything. You can replace the images, whatever you want basically. And the third option of course is to go into the code and change it manually. But to demonstrate, let's just find something that we want to change. So if you scroll down, we click this image, we go to replace and we upload image. Maybe we can try this one. So let's just do that and let Storm cook for a little bit. So now we can see that it's making the user edit. And there it is. It changed the image for us. So that's really easy. So you can do this for anything. Let's see actually what happens if we ask Storm to make the page dark mode. So we just prompt make the landing page dark mode, and we send this prompt and see what happens. And there it is. Now it added dark mode for the landing page. So everything is actually in dark mode now, I believe. That is kind of crazy. That was really, really easy. What else can we do? I mean, honestly, I think it looks pretty good. What else? I mean, you can ask for, like I said, anything. You can ask for more padding. You can ask for more spacing between the words. I mean, between the lines. You can even add a new section. So if we were to click here, we could ask for a change here and say that we want a new image on the page. I think this is pretty good. I mean, the navigation up here works as well, of course. Let's send a lead to Zoho CRM actually to see how that works. So I'm gonna put in my name, email, company, and a message. Okay, so now that that's done, we're gonna send this. Okay, so now if we go to Zoho CRM, we can see today's leads. We can see the lead name, company, email, phone, lead source, lead owner. What else is there to do? I mean, nothing, I guess. Besides, obviously, publishing your page. Before we do that, we can test out if the page is actually responsive or not. We can do that by dragging this bar, and we can actually see that the page adjusts as we move this, which means that it is responsive. So this will also work on mobile, tablets, anything basically. So that is really impressive. You can go to preview mode and you'll be able to see the page in like full view. This is how it is gonna look when it is published. All there is to do now is to hit publish. You do that in the top right corner. You can connect your own custom domain. You can do that by going to sites like GoDaddy.com, Simply.com, Namecheap.com, and probably a bunch of others too. So you just go and buy a domain, update your DNS records, put in the custom domain, connect it, and then you publish your page, and then you're live. That's it. So I would say we had to do minimal to get this page to work. Basically, we sent one prompt, everything was working from the get-go. Then we sent another prompt to make dark mode, which worked instantly. We tried changing an image, easy. Go try it out yourself. Go to storm.dev, build whatever you want. If you have something you want me to build in a future video, just comment down below and I'll do it. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.